Damn, Danielle.
Who you a fool?
Back at it again with another video.
Oh Lord, Jetson made another one.
Hi guys, Danielle here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be putting on our own lashes. I personally never been to a lash tech. I don't know. If you know me, you know that I do all my own things. Hair, makeup, lashes, nails. I do my own everything. Waxes too. I also wax myself. So I had some other lashes that I tried out from Amazon, and if you have not seen that video, I do have it on TikTok. I will link that down below in the description area. But we're going to be doing our own lashes. So these lashes I got from what's that? How you pronounce that? Lubbies? I don't know. But I got these lashes from them on Amazon, and these are kind of like clusters, and I got them in the 14 millimeters to 18 millimeters. I have some other ones that are kind of like smaller ones, and these were the 16 to 8. But I wanted something longer because while the 16 through 8 was cute, it's just that it looks like it was just baby. It just wasn't given. So I figured I needed something longer. So I got these. And we're going to put these on today. I tried the 16th and the 16 wasn't long enough for me. So we're going to start off at the 18. And then we're going to work our way down. So everything you're going to need to put on your own lashes at home like a pro is, of course, the lashes. I got this kit of utensils. I got it from Amazon. So it has like 3 different types of tweezers. These are what the professional use, okay? I have this ring for the glue. Mine's have like a little glue left in it, but this is what the ring looks like. And this come in like a bag of like 100, I think. So I will link all this, everything that I'm using, I will be linking it down below. And then except for the glue, I did not get the glue from Amazon. I got it from my local beauty supply store. But I'm sure you can find some glue on Amazon. I could probably find this one on Amazon, so I don't know. But this is what the glue looks like. And yes, so I also forgot you're gonna need some mascara. And that's all the things you're gonna need. So let me turn my mirror around so I can get closer. Bring y'all. Like, we're really close. So you gotta make sure you have clean lashes. I already had glue. I had some lashes on already, but I took them off and I cleaned my lashes the best I could. But I have makeup on it now, but they're pretty clean. So we're gonna take the mascara that has 2 sides. As you can see, it has bun and sealed. We're gonna take the bun side and we're gonna put it on our eyelashes. Now, you have to do this one at a time. So I do not recommend putting this on both lashes at the same time. You have to do it one at a time. So since we're working on this one, we're going to put it on this one. And then when we get to the other one, we're going to put it on the other one. So now I got my ring on my finger. We're going to take the glue and we're going to pour it in the ring. Just gently. Since it's like 2 little pieces of the heart right there, I usually just pour it into one because the glue it does dry very, very fast, and you don't want to basically all of it to dry at the same time. I use this one, and then when it dries, then I just put in the other one, if that makes sense. My eyelashes are starting to get tacky. That's good. I use these tweezers right here, and like I said, we're gonna start at the 18, which is the longest one at the bottom. You want to grip it really good. So yeah, see, I gripped it really good. We're going to dip it in the glue. Just a band, right? And now we're going to put it on there. Now, listen, you want to attach it to the lash, okay? don't be adding it to your actual eye. You see where, like, you see that part of your eye? Don't add it to that part. Add it on the lash, okay? You'll see that? It's on the lash. So now we're going to add a 17 because we're just basically going down like the line. Like that right there, okay? Now, if you need to, you can have a fan in front of you to help dry the glue. I don't like doing that because I'm working with the glue. So I don't need this glue to dry and then this on my eye to dry. So I just basically do it after I'm done adding all the lashes. I put them really, really close to each other. I basically want them to lack on top of each other. And then we're going to do one more, which is the 14. Got my fan, and it has 3 settings. So I just put it on the 3rd one. And dry it. My fan can also like bend, so I'm going to bend it and I'm going to like set it right here. So I know it probably sounds a little loud, but that's because I have the fan on. So now I'm going to take these tweezers right here. These come in the Foscara kit. So if you buy the whole kit, it comes with like eyelashes, glue, and it comes with these tweezers. These tweezers I'm going to use to press down on them. To kind of just seal it, right? So that's what I use for that. And then I'm going to turn my fan off now. And on the other side of the Foscara where it says seal, I'm going to take the seal side and I'm going to place it like right there. I'm using it to basically seal my lashes and the false lashes together. And under it as well. And you know, got the little brush. I also linked some of these down below, but you can also get these from your beauty supply store. Don't that look so cute? So I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like when both of them are on. Hey, so I got both lashes on, and y'all tell me what y'all think. That was pretty easy, right? Like, I've been filming so far for 5 minutes. That means I put both of these lashes on real fast. Y'all, they cute, right? So y'all tell me what y'all think. Like, that didn't take no time. Honestly, both eyes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes to do your lashes by yourself. I just had some lashes on too. Like I said, I had on like a lot of smaller ones, and I like these so much better because they're just so big. Like, I believe when it comes to lashes, go big and go big or go home. But you know, so I had just, like I said, these were the smaller ones that I had on, and you can just really tell the difference. These were really tiny, but you know, I know better now. So I I would definitely be linking these down below in the description area, because of course, why not? Y'all need these lashes. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment down below if you try to do your own lashes at home. If it took a long time, y'all let me know, because like I said, this was a breeze. I hope this video really helped you guys learn how to do your own lashes at home. Save some coins. Like, save some coins, honey. Save some coins and do your own lashes. These will last you about 4 days, maybe 5 if you upkeep them. I don't know. I'm not the kind of person that rubs my eyes a lot. I'm definitely the kind of person that just like let my eyes be. I have to, because I have contacts. So I used to rub my eyes a lot, but I got used to not doing it. So if you take care of your lashes, they will definitely last a while. If you need to, every couple of days, I would say put some more seal on it to make sure that they don't come off. But yeah, these are really cute. They're really gorgeous. I love them. So that'll be it for today's video, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.